Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been looking for a smart and reliable way to power your home while saving energy, you are in the right place. Today on Best Product, we are looking at the best hybrid solar inverter to keep your lights on. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Sunlit hybrid solar inverter, you will notice how it completely changes the way you manage energy. The Sunlit hybrid solar inverter is a top-tier off-grid solution built for both residential homes and commercial businesses. When you want to become more independent from the traditional power grid, having equipment you can trust is incredibly important. One of the most interesting things about this system is that it is engineered to function perfectly without a built-in battery. This means it is highly flexible, making it the perfect fit if you already have a separate storage setup or if your system simply does not require one right now. You have the freedom to build your power setup exactly the way you want it. At the heart of the Sunlit inverter is its highly intelligent SBU mode. This mode allows your utility power, battery power, and solar panel input to work together smoothly. They complement each other to ensure you have a continuous and seamless energy supply, no matter what the conditions are outside. If the sun goes down or the grid fails unexpectedly, this inverter is smart enough to balance the load automatically and keep your electronics running without a single hitch. You will never have to sit in the dark or worry about losing your power again. Speaking of running your electronics, the Sunlit hybrid solar inverter provides a true pure sine wave output. A pure sine wave is essentially the cleanest and most stable form of electricity you can get. It perfectly matches the quality of power you receive directly from the city grid. By choosing a pure sine wave system, you are actively extending the lifespan of your devices and ensuring they operate at their highest possible efficiency. This guarantees stable electricity for all your sensitive household appliances, like your television, computer, or refrigerator. You will not have to worry about weird noises or potential damage to your expensive gadgets. When you look at the design, the Sunlit brand really stepped things up. Most industrial power equipment looks like a boring metal box, but this unit is completely different. It features a unique and sleek glass top cover that instantly gives it a premium and modern feel. Built directly into this beautiful glass top is a massive 6.25-inch LCD display. This bright display comes with highly responsive touchable buttons. Instead of messing around with complicated dials, you get fully intuitive control over your entire system performance right at your fingertips. You can easily monitor your power usage, check your system health, and adjust your settings with just a few simple taps. Hidden inside this stylish outer shell is some incredibly powerful technology. It comes equipped with a massive built-in 140 amperes MPPT solar charger. MPPT technology is designed to constantly track the maximum power point of your solar panels, meaning it squeezes every last drop of usable energy out of the sun. Paired with this is an impressive solar input range from 55 volts all the way up to 350 volts direct current. This wide range allows you to connect a larger array of solar panels, ultimately maximizing the energy harvested from your roof. To make energy management even easier, the Sunlit inverter includes a smart battery charger designed to optimize your battery performance over time. Through that beautiful LCD screen, you can set up configurable AC or battery input priorities. You can tell the system to prioritize solar power during the day and only switch to grid power or battery backup when absolutely necessary. It puts you in complete control. The system also features an auto restart function during solar power recovery, cold start capability, and automatic activation for modern lithium batteries. Safety is a massive priority here. This inverter is packed with comprehensive protections against power overloads, over-temperature scenarios, and sudden short circuits. If something goes wrong, the inverter will safely protect itself and your home. For connectivity, it includes standard RS-232 and RS-485 ports, alongside optional Wi-Fi capabilities so you can monitor your power system remotely. Finally, to ensure long-lasting durability in harsh environments, it comes with a specialized anti-dust kit to keep the internal parts clean and running cool. Are you ready to take control of your energy setup? Check the price link in the description to learn more about this fantastic machine. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more amazing daily videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.